Introduce highlight features or overview summary for GOOLOO G7 3000A, jump starter with built-in cable. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. User-friendly and portability. The G7 Jump Box is designed to be compact and easy to carry, making charging on the go a breeze. It comes with a built-in charging cable that supports 45-watt quick charge, allowing you to charge your electronic devices directly for ultimate convenience and flexibility. Powerful jump start performance. Equipped with a 12,000 mAh battery, this G7 portable jump starter for car delivers 3,000 amp of current for quick and reliable vehicle jump starts. The battery is rated for 1,000 cycles, ensuring stable performance over time, and addressing the issue of unreliable charging and jump starting that many users face. Comprehensive safety protection. The built-in BMS or battery management system and 10 layers of protection provide all-around safety, ensuring the G7 battery jump pack operates smoothly and safely. This feature guarantees high-quality performance, giving users confidence and peace of mind during use. Durable and long-lasting. The G7 battery jump pack is designed for durability with stable input and output performance. It can be stored for long periods without noticeable battery depletion and works reliably in extreme environments, -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for all conditions. 3-in-1 emergency system. This versatile G7 car starter jump box combines 3 essential emergency features: car jump starting, mobile phone fast charging, and LED lighting. It's a multifunctional tool that meets all your emergency needs, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected situations. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.